Some of the topics to be dealt with during the training include journalists' role in court reporting to ensure balanced, objective, and ethical considerations, covering rights to a fair trial and court reporting experience. The training will also cover court procedures and processes, with an overview of Gambia's legal system and judicial hierarchy, civil and criminal cases, legal consideration and media laws, legal terminologies, and the role and responsibility of different courts in the Gambia justice system. In his welcoming remarks, the president of the Gambia Press Union, Mohamed Esba, said training journalists on court reporting is crucial to the GPO's mission of enhancing professionalism in the Gambia media industry.
And we've seen an expansion and an increase in number of people reporting in the courts, which I said is very complex. So that is why we came up with this very important training to ensure that journalists and media workers are equipped with the knowledge and expertise to be able to report, do court reporting effectively and efficiently.
The representative of the Freedom House, Alhaji S. Nyang, said court reporting is a sensitive specialization, and journalists need the requisite knowledge and skills to effectively and adequately report on the subject, encouraging participants to actively engage the trainers.
So this is part of a series of training that we are supporting in the Gambia to help improve the skills and capacity of journalists to facilitate them on doing their job accordingly. We do know that journalists are doing their job, but our interest is to support them to do it better, to do it the best way they could, to ensure those who consume the information that they produce consume accurate and timely information.
In his keynote statement, Counsel Daudaso, the Deputy Judicial Secretary, said in court reporting it is very important for journalists to respect the presumption of innocence of a person accused of committing a crime until they are found guilty by a court of law. Counsel so described the media as a communication tool with a potential to influence society positively or negatively.
Before you report anything, try to verify your facts. Court documents are public documents. If you don't understand, get opportunity to go and see officials within that court. You can ask your other colleagues that were in the forum, that were in the court, for you to get a better understanding of how proceedings happen. If you don't understand any technical issue, it's important that you ask. Presently, there are a lot of lawyers in this country. You can always ask what certain terms mean so that you can get a better understanding of it. Otherwise, we might be reporting things that are inaccurate, that are not factual, and that alone will expose you to some legal consequences.
Abubakar M. Jallow, a participant, shared his expectations.
I'm expecting a lot because court terms and jargons sometimes that the lawyers use or the judges, sometimes I face difficult in it. But by doing this training, and I hope I will come to know all those terms that they use in court.
The training is informed by the increasing concerns of unethical practices in court reporting, including exposure of the identity of minors involved in rape and manslaughter cases. It is expected that at the end of the training, participants will demonstrate an enhanced ability to report on court proceedings accurately and responsibly, and also have a deeper understanding of legal terminologies, court processes, adhering to ethics related to court reporting. Reporting for GRTS News, I am Omar P. Jallow.